Squirt versus Leatherman Micra. Both of them are tiny little tools, but which one is better? Let's find out in this video review. So first off, you actually need a microscope in order for you to see them. They're really tiny, they're exceptionally small. So let's go ahead and look at this. Microscope is definitely needed here, or moreover like a magnifying glass. That being said, definitely those are very small tools for us to own. But if you do need them, there is nothing better than having some spare in your pocket. Having something this small is also very beneficial for you. But the biggest question is, which one should you be getting from both of those Leatherman, the Squirt or the Micra? Let's go ahead and do the weight test first. This one, the Squirt, comes in at 3 ounces. The Micra comes in at 2 ounces. Not like it makes any big or major difference. They're both super lightweight. But this one feels a little more substantial than the Micra. Micra feels really paper thin, as if there was almost nothing there in your pocket. Next test, opening them up. Interesting enough, this one is kind of bigger. The Micra is bigger than the Squirt, although it weighs a lot less. And they're both around 4 inches. This one is 2.5. This one is about 2.5 as well. So when it comes to the measurement, they're about identical. On the other hand, closing them up and checking them out. Let's take a look. Half of an inch, and this one is even less than half of an inch here. Now this one does come right here with a scale right on here. So in case you need to go ahead and measure things up, yes, there is a scale on it. Inches? Centimeters? Not sure which is the bottom one. Now when it comes to Tsa Friendly, both of them, nope, because both of them have a knife on them. They also come in this very small, cheap package. Now, in terms of usefulness, you have to understand pluses and minuses of both of them. The Micra, there's nothing here. Everything is included on the inside, which is good and bad. The good thing about this, none of it is going to stab you, none of it is going to hurt you inside the pocket. If you need something right away, the only thing you can use here is the scale and nothing else. The scale actually works measurement if you can actually see it. Nothing else is over here useful on that side. The Squirt, on the other hand, it got some useful tools right off the bat. There is no lock in them, so be careful with the knife. It also has this nail file and very small scissors right here too. So yeah, we have a bunch of very important tools, all of them easy access on this side, which is a good thing. We also have miniature screwdriver, and if you don't have nails, you're gonna be damn sorry. It's so hard to get those things out of here. But yeah, we have a miniature can opener here as well. So this gives you all the essentials all on the outside of it too. Opening them up, this one features scissors. This one also has scissors, it's just on this side over here. In fact, we already seen the scissors before, but I'm gonna show you once again. Scissors, scissors. This is way better scissors than this. But if this is something you hardly ever use, I would go for the Squirt, and it also has pliers and a cutter over here. This one just comes with scissors. So overall, I have two great products, different kind of uses, and when it comes to which one is the better one, it is hard to say. Question is, which one of the tools that we have on this side? So this one comes with all kinds of different variety of different tools, including pliers over here. Actually, those are tweezers. And on this side, you have the knife. We have a few other cool tools here as well. And yeah, this is kind of cool. So overall, I don't know, it's kind of hard to tell because both of them have very cool tools. Both of them are really interesting, and the biggest question is, which one should you buy for yourself? And I do think that the Squirt is generally a winner over here by a very small margin of maybe 2 points. So overall, this will give me, I will give this a 9 out of 10, and this one will only get a 7 out of 10. So overall, the Squirt is the ultimate winner, and this one is by a very small amount the loser.